So I've got the kayak loaded up, ready to drag down to the lake. It's about 100-yard drag. Got 3 poles, net, anchor, fish finder. I need to get me a little more compact one. Got all my lures. And I want to take life jacket as always, cushion, minnow bucket, or I think I got everything. All right, here we go. This is what I pulled up this big old hill. Showed you yesterday. That's how we roll. So I do consider myself a pretty good swimmer, but as always, if I'm kayaking alone, I wear a life jacket. See, we have the kayak set up, ready to go. Made it down here with pretty good ease. We did have to go, this hill was a little much to come down. Might have to go up it a different way. And then that hill right there was no ease either. But that's what we got going on. Seems like the spot we want to go fish is everybody else is fishing too. Boats with bigger motors can get there quicker. And yeah, we're gonna go see if we can't get on some more fish. Well, it's pretty windy out here. I fished this shoreline a little bit. There's other people out here. No one's had any luck yet. It's pretty deep. See the, maybe, I don't know if you can see it on the camera or not. See the shore. I mean, see the bottom. And I tied up here for a little bit. And I haven't seen this guy catch anything. Some other folks came by and said they didn't catch anything. So it's pretty windy. I'd say about 15 miles an hour. Probably a little much for me really to be able to sit still too good. I mean, I got the anchor right now. But, all right. We'll try out some deeper spots. I found some really deep spots, so I don't know, the water's super clear, so the fish might be a little deeper. So that's what I'm gonna try. All right, thanks for watching. See you soon. So I was pulling up the anchor and it felt kind of heavy. And turns out I hooked onto it. Tree stump. Pretty crazy.